Chocolate like chicken.
Okay, we're asking the children if they're going to remember this.
Yeah, 100%. I will.
Okay, so what's the most memorable part of the trip and what's the review? This is our tour guide. Give her the review.
Give your sister a good review.
What's the review?
10 out of 10.
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
It's a
11.
review. What's the thing?
Basically, even though we have to wake up like super early,
I
like,
love it
I know
so
that
much.
I know that eventually we won't regret, because like we'll regret not doing a lot. So I think it's a good idea we like step early, even though it's not a good idea to us right now, but maybe in the future it will be a good idea, because like we did a lot of stuff that way, like maximize it.
I will do
How
it.
about you, mommy? What's the review? I will not do this again.
I'll not do this again.
Why?
I vowed
No,
not to do this
You
again.
don't like it?
no, she
You don't like to be with our family? You don't love us? You don't love
I'll be
us?
on my own.
We don't appreciate you.
Ay. For me, I think I'm getting old. This kind of travel is getting difficult for me. Maybe travel, but not this fast pace anymore.
I just had to
Nobody told us to be fast paced.
The Guangzhou trip, that one we didn't do that much. I enjoy it when eating in the hotel. The things a little bit slow pace. But this kind of Moine Vietnam travel, I think it's too fast for me. I cannot do it anymore.
You need to leave.
I think
I think I need to get a new husband then.
I think I'm retiring in that kind of travel. It's just too fast. 3-4 hotels in like 5 days.
Nah,
Pa-
just don't.
Just don't want.
Don't
Don't
do fast
retire.
pace. Don't do fast pace. Nobody asked you to do fast
Yeah,
pace.
sometimes I'm happy, but sometimes I'm also angry. But most I'm angry.
Yeah, why? You need to leave.
Thank you, mom. We appreciate
Thank you, mommy.
Mom.
Actually, this whole trip won't happen without your mom's planning.
Love you, mom.
From start to finish.
Sponsored.
From-
Thank you.
From the ticket to the booking to the translation, everything. We just need to follow all around, like we're part of the tour group.
Thank you, mom.
Okay, and that's it. And then
Pay me.
the next thing, next of this one is
I need to
outro.
charge next time.
Okay, future self, what can you say?
Your brother, your troublesome brother. Look at where the chicken is.
Are you going to be a good boy?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Okay. How about you?
Don't trust that
He
boy.
didn't bring anything but his problems this trip. Carla, remember this. Were you like?
I'm happy. Kuya is quite helpful. The big bag he
Yeah.
carried all around.
Kuya is already,
Have-
like,
have-
he's
I used to
already
be-
dependable.
I used to be Carla.
I mean, dependable in carrying things. like
He knocked on the public toilet.
He used up all my data.
it's like what you expect for a mule. You have a mule that only things to carry, just like Kuya.
I only know how to carry stuff.
Yeah,
Don't
like
judge
a
me.
mule. Okay, so that's
Such
it.
a good trip.
Oh, thumbs up, thumbs up. Okay, thumbs up. And I think the ending of this video is like the time lapse that I'm getting here.
I don't think it's the end of the video. We're going to record later.
But meron pa tayo.
Mom, in the future, if you're watching this, thank you.
Yeah, thank you, mommy.
Please like and subscribe. And
Your mom. Please
join
like.
to my future trip.
Please like and subscribe your mom. Okay, syempre yung laging bisyo sa China, Mate 1. Luckin coffee everywhere. And can you tell us what you're eating? Ang ganda ng background pala pag naka-video. What you're eating, mami?
Oh, no.
Chicken. Chicken what? Chicken, I don't know. Fried chicken.
Masarap yung sauce niya.
Authentic Chinese sauce.
What can you say to your future self?
Don't be
So
cringe. Don't get in trouble with
Don't
Kuya.
be cringe.
And you.
You, don't be in trouble. Don't get in trouble, Castor. You hear me? Don't get in trouble.
Don't lower your
You didn't come up from the mud.
We appreciate you, mami.
3, 2,
1. We appreciate you,
Thank
mami.
you for this trip, Mom. We love you, Mom.
So sa hotel reveal natin, dito tayo sa penthouse na kinuha ni mami. May area ka nakabako na ganyan. Gate. Ito ang ating room. Yung room is very common. Tulugan lang talaga siya. Then may TV, then CR. Pero yung bentahe dito is the ancient town itself. So tatlong ancient town na pupunta namin ngayon sa isang buong buwan na to. Haka, doon sa Ganleng, sa Furong, tapos dito naman sa ancient town na to. Tignan mo, look at that. Usually ito yung mga nakikita mo sa postcard eh. And it's good, it's a golden hour. Kita mo yung pagiging golden hour niya. Hintayin natin itong night view nito. Maganda siguro to time lapse. Okay, look at our meal. Chinese succulent meal.
Didn't you say that this is gonna be the last vlog for today?
We're giving them the
No, I'm going to
nuts
put
there.
that one in the later part of the video. Oh, look at chicken.
This is the good.
Yeah, I think they have.
Yes.
I think they're having a festival here.
I think they're having a field trip.
About your shirt.
Like this. When you see another person from
Mami,
another
maalala mo to. Sarap oh.
Yum, 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 yum. And this one is good.
Pinapaking radish.
I know you don't like the sound.
school. Of what? Send me that photo.
Ito yung pala sa kabila ng tulay. Kaya pala walang gaanong makulay dun sa lugar namin. Sa kabila pala siya ng tulay, yung major. Yung sa amin yung minor. Ano may... No. Ayun si... Ma'am. Okay, we're dressing up for our picture tutorial. You want to do like that? So we're in the costume shop right now. So wow, Carl, so good.
Oh, come on.
Wow, Mommy, so pretty.
Wala ginatano.
Hindi ka ha.
Oo, okay.
Something wala
So, yung mga costume dito, parang ano sila sa silver. Pero syempre ito, hindi na silver. Parang decorative na lang. Pero mahilig sila sa mga kalansing-kalansing. Wow, look at Mommy.
Why did they like this so much?
When they dance, they have the movement. Okay, sure.
Good night.
Oh, Mommy, so pretty. Look. Kung mga sinaunang panahon pa to, mga dalawang baboy ang kapalit tong ganito kaganda.
I'm Indian.
Mga isang baboy, isang baka.
Kuya, show your ano.
Show your, yeah.
Yeah, you need to tie it on top of the hair.
Didn't the person do it for you?
Mom, can you help me tie a man bun?
What?
It's like,
They're like a cat. and
May
cat.
nanalo na.
this is the Miss China.
Miss China.
What, how do you say pretty in Mandarin? Lenu.
Hello. Lamb.
Ah, may earrings ka pa, Mami.
Mom's the most complicated one here. Complicated outfit. I love how we're all different. This one has this one, this one has this.
Ito na yung mga ano natin. Delikado. Delikado. Ito na yung mga ano natin. Delikado. Delikado.
I feel like I have a plate on me.
Sabi kayo, nandito na yung mga delikado natin.
Hey. This is the thing that you change in Korean barbecue. Namamas ko po.
Dito na yung...
Why do I need one?
Dito na yung mga delikado. Magsitabi kayo.
Yeah.
Nandito na
No,
mga...
Dad, I think it's okay. The cars will notice because she's so loud.
Yeah, we're here. Kasi, let it go. Ayun o.
It's so noisy.
Para malaman yung parting ka na.
I feel like a cow.
I'm the least noisy. I'm the least noisy.
I feel like a cow.
Okay, so in the end, we got a photographer through Mom's effort.
Each?
Huh? We have some each, we have some solo, because we have 20. Ah. Okay, so in the end, we got a photographer through Mom's effort.
Each?
Huh? We have some each, we have some solo, because we have 20. Ah. Okay, so in the end, we got a photographer. Kasi nag-costume na eh. We went all in.
6, 7.
We went all in.
Jump.
Later. That's the last one.
So 5 photos each, Dad.
No, it's okay. Okay, so we're taking a family photo in Furong. That's Mommy. Yes, si Kuya. Look at your mom. Effortless si Mommy. Wala pang makeup yan. Oh, tiyan! Yung ngiti pang ganun.
A little bit of makeup at home.
Pangit.
Daddy, ano ba yan?
Bakit pakalansing mo na?
Shake. Bati dancer. Shake. Bati dancer.
Andonya.
At least we don't have to think of our own.
Oh, at least may ano siya, may valid added siya. Oh, that's good. Good decision again, Mommy. Nakakumuha ng ano, ng photographer. Ganda ng asawa ko, oh. Casil, what can you tell about the dagger?
Huh?
The dagger.
I felt like a savage.
Oh, savage. See, look at him. He's just cool. Welcome to the behind the scenes. Behind the scenes of the pictorial. First time ako pictorial ni Mami. Last pictorial nito sa Glamour Studio pa.
Nag-prepare ito sa Guzman pa.
Sa Guzman pa. Last daw nito sa Guzman pa. How does it feel? How does it feel?
Shake, badi-badi na.
Shake, isang mo na shake. Pang bumirang. Ito na yung pang malakas ang pose. Level 20 na yan. Ah, parang shouting. Hindi, shouting.
What are you screaming at?
That.
Like, ayan, like that.
Mom's feet are the king yet for Sarai.
Okay, story time. Actually, kaninang umaga, may libreng isang costume yung accommodation namin. So, niloloko namin si Mami na na kumuha ka ng photo, tawag dito, susupport kami. DIY pictorial. Pagpunta namin dun sa hotel, sabi ng hotel, magdagdag na lang kayo. Parang isa yata, parang pumapatak ng 20, isang full set na costume, 20 renminbi lang. So, napag-trip ako, sige, lahat tayo. Then, yun, dapat supposed to be, kami lang ang magdi-DIY, magpo-photo, no? Then, syempre ako, medyo skeptical ako, takot ako makipag-usap sa tao. Pero naisip ni Mami, ba't di natin kunin yung service nitong babae? Una, ang alok sa amin, was $10 daw isa. $10 isang photo. Then, napagtanto namin na tawaran natin 20, 100 kung pwede, 20, 100. Pumayag naman yung babae. So, ang ginagawa niya ngayon, kumukuha siya ng maraming photo. Siguro, papapiliin ka, mas marami siyang makuha magandang photo. Siyempre, mas malaking chance niya kumita siya ng marami. Pag sumobra kasi 20, hindi dagdag na yun, wala naman siyang ginagawa. Kada shot niya, 20-20, awin niya ba nun? Sabay, yung mga kagandahan niya, tinuturuan niya pa si Mami ng mga post na hindi namin maiisipan. O yung mga ganon, yung mga shouting post. Diba? So, that's
Earlier she did this.
that's pleasant. Okay, after ng photo taking, pipili ka na, bibigay sa'yo yung iPad. Ito, pipili ka. Naka-color grade na siya agad. So, iba yung itsura niya.
It looks like AI.
Iba yung nangyari dun sa photo eventually. So, kukunin natin yung mga magagandang photo.